Hey guys, I think it's good on monthly, but except for this volume that's been already tested, and this is, yeah. So you see how this small bar, reaction bar volume supersedes the volume of this long day candle bar. And here on hourly, the entire volume is here. And you see, it's almost the biggest volume of the trend. It's a clear sign, like very clear sign of reversal. And even though, like technically, if it breaks down, so I think what's going to happen, it broke the test level of the jump over creek. But if kind of like, it's better idea to wait till it manipulates this level, and once it holds the support level, then close it down. But yeah, I think what it will do, it will bounce of this 0.5 retracement and will go up. It'll go up. So I want to take down like half of the, like now it's retest. It's a retest of this volume, but I mean, look at this volume. And as for ADA, still unclear what's going on here. But yeah, we'll wait. But here, I think we need to close a half. I think it's a half, yeah. And also you see how my take profit is below the 0.5 level, which is all right because this level's been protected by 2 bar upthrust closing below the opening of it. So it all looks good to me. However, this volume, yeah, and we didn't have it before. There was like a small volume here, nothing alarming. There was small volume here, there was big volume here. However, it was all you see. Well, yeah, that's what this was freaky too. However, oops, it was just the beginning of the trend. This volume held though. Am I hallucinating or am I right? Bitcoin is kind of an upward trend. So like I use Bitcoin as a spy for American stocks per se. What do you guys say? Or should we wait? What do you say? Or should we keep it? Technically, like inferior time frame will never stop the superior one. However, this is technically, but practically. What do you say, guys? I need your... And it also bugs me that it doesn't break. So technically it's still ice. It's expanding ice. And it should break. It should be able to break at this point. Mm, mm, mm. And this is also what we call the overtake of initiative. You see this like bearish volume, boom, and then it's like broken above. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, guys. I don't know. This doesn't look. The monthly looks good though. I'm almost sure it's gonna retest at some point. So it's gonna retest this two bar up thrust, and if it's gonna happen here, it's gonna go. Because they normally retest. There's going to be some kind of retest, and that might be the sign. It's not the biggest volume yet of the entire trend. Should we guys wait for the biggest volume of this short wave? This is scary. This is scary. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Let's try our holding muscle a little longer and see at least what it does here. Because it can also just go up. It can also just go up. Okay, let's. This is so good though. This is good. This is good. Yeah, no, let's wait for the volume that will be comparable to something over here. So if it like throws the volume comparable to anything like this or this, then we'll have to, yeah. No, let's wait, guys. Let's just train our holding muscle. I hope you're with me on this one. Okay, let's continue our. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Let's continue our Bitcoin back trading. We are on January 27th. January 27th, which is here. January 27th was interaction with this T2 level. Way above the 1/2. Yeah, that's how it looked on January 27th, way up there. But still, but still, here's how it played out. We didn't know the T2 is broken till after. Wait. 27th, yeah, till after. Wait, you're confusing me. Oh yeah, right. Till after this bar closed. So there's nothing to play here, nothing for here. Mm-hmm. Oops. So, that what was going on here. A. So the jog to jump over creek bar was here, and I'll tell you what, that was a test of it. Yeah, so we had all rights to play around 3 p.m. 27th, 3 p.m. So yeah, there was 0.5, and also here's our test of the jump over creek. Yes, it only broke here. Mm-hmm. Oh wait. No. Yeah, technically we didn't know that it's gonna break. So the T2 of daily is not gonna hold. So when it hit here, we should have removed all of our, yeah, because it's a transitory extremum, right? Yeah. Yeah, and since that's a transitory extremum, so that was a local extremum which didn't hold, and that's another local extremum which was also a test level for this volume, and it's a long, it's kind of like volume is distributed for a continuation of the long trend, because you see how these volumes are so big. So we had all reasons to try it here. Yeah, we could have tried it here long anyways. Yeah, here. Uh, what's going on? Uh-huh. Something like this, and then test, and boom, it goes down, and boom, nothing here, doesn't hold. It just doesn't hold, and we see it, right? Yeah, we do. So then, then it moved here, and well, technically, yeah, this is like tight, you guys, tight, like real tight. So technically our or like T2 is here, and we could have played it at this level before it became broken with the reaction bar up. Yeah, this is a massacre though. And there's nothing to play also. Wait. I think it's like this. Is it? Yeah. See nothing here. Boom, 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 boom. Goes up. But to expect, oh, we can play short. So this is our transitory extremum, and then here, and then it goes nowhere. Yeah, nothing here, and that's our day, right? Reversal of the trend. This is so tight. What the heck is going on here? Yeah, so it's a reversal of the trend. Once it went up, so we need to wait till it closed signal in order to do anything. But it's so freaking tight. Splash of volume. Technically, last hour we could have been watching to play long here, but it's like all nonsensical. This is a nonsensical massacre. Yeah, so we could have tried to play long here in continuation of the trend last hour, but there's nothing. Biggest volume broken down. Yeah, there's nothing. So that's our 27th. And yeah, even that's like it was really not necessary. You see like how freaking tight it is. So we could like taken this bar as a neutral bar, and this all is just a continuation of this trend, and then we run into this situation where we still think that it's technically a attempt of downward trend, but then next day happens and we see it's closed up bullish, so this level is broken. Okay, let's go into 28th. This is our 28th. 28th level breaks. This doesn't hold, and now we can kind of, our direction is long now. On daily with this volume, initiative takeover. You see this boom, it breaks above, closes, the reaction bar closes above. So this volume is below us. So yeah, it looks bullish. The day looks bullish. Let's try to make some sense of it on hourly chart. This is the first level, and there was 1 hour we could have played. We could have played long here, and also we have volume on jump over the creek, which never gets tested. Yeah, like this. But 4 to 5, we could have been looking for long trades in continuation of the long trend, right? 4 to 5, like right here. Like boom, breaks below, and yeah, nothing. After it broke below, you cannot watch for nothing. For nothing compares. And this is 6. And by 6, we already have 5 to 6. No, it's actually neutral. It's actually neutral. So technically, yeah, it's a little bit brutal, but technically didn't change the direction because it never confirmed the reversal of the trend. It went back. So it was like a rude, like rough expansion of the T2 level. It's not a balance. It's not a balance. So we had this, and then we had biggest volume here. Yep. We had biggest volume here, right? Right. And we had 0.5 here. So technically, but yeah, you see there is no increased volume on the spring. However, there is, yeah, you see this? Here's the test, and then boom, spring. Should we have waited for the test here? Probably we should, because you see this volume? It's a big volume. However, didn't close much way below. It closes close to the test level. Well, technically we didn't have to wait, and the volume distribution even after this is more so long at this point. Yeah, it's not a bad place to get your stop loss. Down. Only if you wanted to wait for the test, that could have saved us, because there's nothing up here. This volume signifies. Does signify a word? I think it is. Yeah, technically. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. Hold on. This is 6 a.m. in the morning. in the morning. Oh, and we didn't look here, actually. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Now, this is weird. And it's 28th, so by this time we already know that, yeah, our 28th, 26th. I don't know, this is extended. Technically, it's 0.5 correction from the previous T2. Here we have 1, 2, 1. You can say it's balanced, so it's kind of, yeah. No, but here we like expecting here acceleration of the trend. Doesn't make any sense. Yeah, no, I don't think it works. Dun, 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 dun. This is not workable. And then we can again start watching, starting from 10 a.m. 10 a.m., 10 a.m. Yeah, from here. And what happened here was, yeah, it was like this, this, and this. So it breaks, and it's a test level, and then here's another level. There's a hold, and here's another test, and this holds actually. This is wild. So this holds, and then this. Yeah. You see, when like impulse is developing, there's not much entry spots within our system. Yeah, and that's the reversal of the trend. After it reversed, we're not looking for entry. No more. No more. No more. No more. No more. No more. However, this is a long day candle, first in test, and then in spring. And also, we can check the test level, the 0.5 retracement level, because we can. So, which leads us to this situation here. Needs a test, and test goes BBM. And then that leads us to this situation here. which is a test. Which is a test. And the 5-minute trend is reversed by this point. It's down. However, it breaks here, it picks up here. So when it comes here, ooh la la. Guys, look at this. La la la. It just needs a test. Yeah, and test and boom, our entry point. Right there. Right there. And it's not broken yet at this point, right? Yeah. Cause nothing compares. Dun, 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 dun. It's kind of, it's a good volume. It's a good volume. Let's see the daily. It's very weak breakthrough, you see, because the manipulation bar, the jump over creek bar, starts off from so low below. Normally it would like cripple here and then break through. And it does the opposite. It just kisses the level and the reaction bar. It closes bullish, which indicates the breakthrough of the T2. However, look how volume is small, body is small, like spread is small. It's weak. It's like a beginning of potential long impulse. However, very, very weak. Volumes look like they're bullish. Yeah. I'll skip this point just because of how weak it looks on daily. However, on 5 minutes, it's like, yeah, it's our stop loss right here. Like this. But yeah, I think in the moment on daily, it was screaming, I'm weak, don't trade me. And also it's a test level. So, and it's kind of slightly below 0.5. And on the test level or any bar level, especially on the test level, it means that we're expecting acceleration of the trend, which doesn't look like it's going to accelerate on daily at all. So I think this one could have been skipped. And also like the test level is so close to the jump over creek level itself. It's so close, dangerously close, and below 0.5. So those kind of reasons could have helped us to skip this one. And then boom, right away the next one. Well, if you got this stop, if you traded this one, so it means like this day and this level is over for us. We're not going to trade this level again. However, here's the same deal. Volume is good. It's not the biggest volume of the trend, but it's a significant volume. But you see how it closes? Wait, low 28.4, close. Okay, so this closed below the T1 level. This closed below the T1 level. So you see, like, I don't like what's going on here. So I'd rather find any reasons on M5 to skip the trade rather than trade it, because daily is weak. Same deal. Technically, here's our test. Here's the resumption of the buying volume. So, first of all, it's the next day already. And then secondly, I think it very well might be yeah, it breaks below. It did not yet though. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that's our 28th. 29th is right. Ooh, look at this guy. So that was what's happening. Low 08.2. Low. Okay. So yeah, here's our spring and we can play it right away. Let's see what market was showing us here. Beautiful spring. Since it's bearish, we need a test, and boom. How many stops can we get at one point? And on daily, yeah, 28, 29. Yeah, so it's 28 yet. So it didn't close. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, guys. As much as I want to find a reason not to make this trade, I think this is our legit stop. You know what I mean? I think this is our legit stop. So this could have been avoided. But there's still not the biggest volume, but it's not a test. It's not a jump over creek level. It's a legit T2. And the 0.5 of this entire movement. So yeah, I think that's a stop. That's a stop, baby. Let's describe what we've got here. What happened here to begin with? Here's our entry. Here's our spring. Okay, we always start from superior time frame. January 29th. January 29th. That would be our deal trade number 8. Oh, it's getting warm. Ew. 29th, and it's our second stop in a row. Oh no. which is 3-day support though. We have rule 1 stop per 1 level, one stop per 1 day. Let's describe this guy. This guy has splash of volume, which we probably don't have to know yet. It's our trend trade 8B. It's a long impulse. Long impulse. T2 level. Support level. Under correction. Like, it's kind of low. It's a little bit low. Yeah. It's a little bit low. Below under correction. I'm not a fan, but trend trade. Always log your back trading, and of course, let alone your real trades. If you don't log them, you have nothing to work on later, nothing to improve. Okay, let's describe this situation. This is the biggest volume of the short trend. You see? Sexy schmexy. And the spring is the biggest volume of the short impulse after T2. Yeah, so look, this is a legit deserved stop loss. You got to get them somewhere, right? Some trades are meant to be lost. 2 bar spring plus test. Okay. 20 bold back. Visibility minutes only. Yes. And test is legit. You see, decreasing volume, a little splash on the test itself, which is normal, and test is also like around 0.5 from the spring. Everything looked good here. Okay, low 41,854, so 41,844. Two. Our take is above the T2 level, which is all right, and it's also our transition extremum here. Okay, like this, and that's the aggressive trend trade 8. Is it 8 back trading minus short impulse plus biggest volume T1, biggest volume. Yeah, it was promising. 2 bars spring closing if Buffett's opening. Weak test. First bullish bar closed. Entry. Calculated affordable stop loss 1, 2, 2. Risk to reward. Take profit. Yeah, everything looked good. Everything looked good. Just didn't work out. You know how it happens. When it happens. When it happens. And it happened 2:35 a.m. Aggressive to spring plus 2:35 a.m. Oh my gosh, we're losing money. Money. Stop was 997. Okay, doc. So the highest possible was 49,914. No. 41,974. 41,974. Less. Yeah. Didn't move much. So yeah, that was our stop on January 29th. So one day, one stop, level one stop, and this is an expanding level for this. So even, let's just see for fun, but even if we had another entry level here, so we had like entry level here with test, you see, which probably led to another stop. That's why we don't do that's why one level one stop, because you can continue collecting them. Now that would be profit, but you see, like, this is tight. And then of course it goes up. What is it? Test here, down, yeah, and then another transitory extremum, and then breakthrough volume. I think another entry point would be here, but we already got our stop, so we are done for today. It's a little bit low, but you can still do it. So that would be another entry point, and then boom, 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 biggest volume here, nothing, and it reverses. So we stop looking for new entry points. Yeah, so I think that's our 30th. But when it happens, yeah, this is our 30th. So the next on deck, the next is 30th, and 31st is on deck. What's going on here? There's no point to milk this. I either need to freaking take half or like leave it. You know, this uncertainty level is the worst. That's why it's crucial to have your strategy firm that will decide for you in the moment. Because if you don't have one, probably your decisions will be affected by the market, which is never a good thing. So here's a breakthrough. Once it broke through, it immediately closed. Bearish, the reaction bar, so we cannot look for anything in continuation of the trend. Here it closed below 0.5 retracement. Here technically for this 1 hour, Oh, and what's the daily context? Yeah, it's kind of like breaking. Yeah, so it's like resistance level on daily by then. So not the good. There is like a contradiction between hourly and daily contexts. But technically, starting from 10 to 11, we can look for a continuation of the trend till it closes and correction starts, and then we can pick up from 0.5, and then from test level, and then we had a jump over creek level till it formed a T2. So that's our levels. So starting like 1 hour here, 10 to 11. Let's see. Hey, wait, I need to see the comments. You guys have a question, shoot in the live chat. I'll be glad to answer. You know me. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I don't know why I pay so much attention for the levels to be like exact. You know, it's just some kind of OCD, chart drawing OCD. I think I moved this one a little bit. You know what I mean? So that what we had here, like these, and like these, and like these, like this. Yes, exactly like this. However, we need a 0.5 retracement, which is here. You see, technically, no, there wasn't. There was no volume on the spring, and test like bar levels do not expand. So that was done. So the next possibility was here, in the 0.2 retracement. So yeah, we could have had our other stop again. Technically, yes. It's like our 0.2. Let's see the context. And it's like biggest volume of the downward trend, except for this, which has been tested. Now tell me we get another stop. It's kind of, yeah, like we are in the resistance level of daily. Oh, wait. So that day it was like this. Yeah. Which would have allowed us to short from here. Let us see. Yeah, am I looking in the right place? Yes. So we could have shorted from here, but nothing. However, also we could have We should have. And we must have. But didn't. Because I was busy in the theater. That helped me to avoid so many stops. This is amazing. Theater is my savior. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, wait. So at this point, we have a contradiction in between hourly and minutes. So we should not. We should see this wave as an independent down short trend on 5 minute, which saves us money. So yeah, this is breaking below, and then here, no, this is sound like who does this? People, can't you trade like more volatile? Low 34.7, 34.2. Anywho, yeah, there is no volume here. Yeah, guys, no, there's no volume. This is bullshit. Technically, like, this was the first manipulation bar because its low is 34.2 and this is low 34.7, but it's like 0.5 point. This is bullshit. So this is a spring and it doesn't have any volume whatsoever. And I know that I still say volume like fancy, but it's volume. VOLUME. You know what I mean? um, hold on. Technically, there was a trade, just didn't give us a test. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, no, guys, this is just like no volume spring. However, here, this looks like way more distinct. Biggest volume on the downward trend. Biggest volume on the spring. Needs a test. This test technically goes in there. I don't know. It's like too wide. Can you imagine this? It's like too far. It's like stretched. Too stretched. And can you imagine here? It will go. It needs to go all the way above. And no, we cannot play above. Well, technically it's continuation of the trend, but it's unreasonable to trade this deal above with the take profit above the freaking T1 level. especially when we see that we are still, what time is it? It's like, yeah, it's January 30th, so we already have the 29th. No, we didn't have this like one closed yet, so we don't know that we're breaking the T1 yet. So technically we're in resistance zone on daily. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. And also needs to be noted that no, it cannot be tested, because look at this, T2. Yeah, so our test is after it manipulated T2. It's kind of like it has an impulse of its own. So yeah, no, this cannot be. It's tradable, but like test, it's not a test. It's like independent manipulation, independent impulse from T2 to T1. You cannot trade this. What else? We could have watched. Oh, and this is a transitory extremum, which means that technically, and then it breaks down, and after it breaks down, it's like there's not much to do. After trend reverses on 5 minutes, we should not be looking for any long trades until it touches the hourly level again. So our next thing is here, but we cannot trade it until it until it closes. So like 1 bar up trust, but with that it's already down there, and we can look for it again. 30th, and that's the 30th. Yes, we can look for it again. So we can, but look at this volume. I would not go again. Yeah, well, look at this. This is a massacre. Would you try to play against this volume? Would you like to play against this volume? Because I do not want to trade against this volume whatsoever. This is a good volume though. This is a good volume. However, this is goes up, this is goes. Okay. Okay. So this goes up now. So this can go here, and then it breaks down. Boom. After it broke it down, not interested. Well, technically, it touches. It kisses a T2 level, just to start it off again, so you can put another, and that was a transitory extremum. I'm sorry guys, in the back trading it like looks hectic because like the future levels are already here, marked here, but yeah, and that makes our 30th, so 31st and February 1st on deck. Hold on. Yeah, this needs test, and it just went. And it just went to the skies. Okay. Let's do 31st, and then I think I need to chill. But we have only 2 days left to catch up. Not to catch up, but to catch up. 31st. 31st. So what happened on 31st, we removed this level because 30th closed above like T1, and we removed this level as well. So now we are like just in continuation of this bullish trend. It's very slow, you see, because it is correction of this probably. So yeah, for 31st now we have a correction of a correction. So we're looking short. And what happens here is, so we can look for long trades all the way up to here, and starting from here we can look for short trades for another hour. Okay, let's see how it did on the nothing here. Thank you, market, for saving us from unnecessary stop losses. So yeah, the next one is here, but it's 920. So it's already way after. So now we can look for short trades until it closes here. But there's nothing. But nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. And here's our break under ice level, which was active till we hit the T1 and confirmed a bearish trend, and there is no test for it, and 0.5, yes, nothing even remotely close. Nothing to look for here. And we could have looked for something also. This is a break sign of weakness level, and also this is a test of the long day bar sign of weakness level, and which corresponds to 0.5. Okay, so that's where we could have looked. Boom, 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 and then for the last, no, and then that's it, and then finita la commedia. Don't die just quite yet. Okay, let's be, this is like so useless. I'm not gonna need it, but I'm still gonna do it because it's my OCD. You know what I mean? Okay. Boom, boom, boom. It comes here. Ooh, like Like you don't do things like that in real life, and you need a test anyways. You need a test, and the next one is this guy. This is how we do it, and this is nothing. And starting from here for an hour, we could have looked for trades. Oh, someone tried to play it because the original level, but you can't because you already had tests. Plus, this is a correction on daily. It's not gonna accelerate here. Okay, so yeah. So 1st of February. Oh, that's our last day. Do we have second already? Do we have second? Okay. Oh, it's so itchy. My nose is so itchy. Okay, so we had like 1 hour here to. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, so on daily we came to 0.5, a retracement of this bearish trend. Also that's id. Also, that's it. Minutes? No, it's days and hours. Hours. Yeah. So this hour we could have been watching for trades in continuation of the trend. Is my friend. Yeah, like this, but this breaks. So yeah, and then it goes down. Oh, wait, till actually 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. I'm sorry. 2 a.m. this weird time. We do our back trading UTS +7 Bangkok time, and it breaks down anyways. You cannot trade those. Then we have this level. We don't have to test for it. Okay. And we have this level where it just like falls. It falls. Let's see, but it just falls. Doesn't hold nothing. Yeah, here. No. It's 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 aggressive, so it needs test, and it breaks. It's like no, and like anyways, test is like doo-doo. and here it breaks, and here it breaks. So nothing. And when it returns here, we can technically trade it. So it's a counter trend, so we can trade it up to 0.5. What is this? All right, you can stay. Oh yeah, right. So when it so let's see, if this is a transitory extremum, here's local extremum, it stains, it expands, hold on, down, here it finally breaks. There's a test here, and nothing there, nothing. Yeah, and when it breaks below, yeah, nothing there, nothing there. And we can look these three, boom, boom, boom. Well, it's also, I think, a contradiction. It can be here after we got this level. So I think, so yeah, after here, this is a transitory extremum for the test level of hourly. So like this, and yeah, here we need a test, and it breaks below, breaks above. In any ways, it's already breaking the test level. So next up is sign of weakness, long bar level, which is here, breaks above, and no chance. In the end, hold on. How did that happen? Wait. We should have had 3 levels here. Oh, here's one more, right? Okay. So this is a sign of weakness, long bar, and this is T2 itself gets broken. Yes. It doesn't get broken, really. It just expands endlessly. So technically, while it expands every time, there's a new, nothing here, in here, boom, boom. So yeah, technically, yeah, well, but technically, this goes here, I think. Yeah, this is not a go. Yeah, because boom, 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 boom. And then, wait, and then that's it. Wait. I'm trying to say. That here at T2, so that's how it played out. That's our transitory extremum at this level. And then it goes down, breaks below the T2. So reversal of the trend. We are bearish now. And here's the volume. Everyone is happy. It looks great. Everything looks great. Yeah. Volumes looks good. I think the biggest volume of trend. Here on. Are we getting a third stop in a row? This is, guys, is alarming. Yeah, this is clear like reversal pattern. So that's the biggest volume of a bullish trend, especially starting from here and here. Yeah, it's a third stop, baby. Right. Tailored specifically for you. And there is a splash of the volume. Yeah, that's a stop. You guys can't believe it. 3 freaking stops in a row. You probably should unsubscribe at this point. Yeah, so that's our long day sign of the weakness bar. Dun. So wait, what time was it? We still have a hope. 23:20. No, at 23:20, this level held up. It wasn't done yet. It actually wasn't done until here. You see how it makes a difference? Congratulations, guys. We got the third stop in a row. It's different months though. Like 2 was in the 2. In the back trade, still we are like over 20% up in January. And that's how we start our February. We started with a stop at the back trading. Yeah, it's a legit stop. Let's journal it. Where's our journal? Duplicate. Point 24B. B stands for back trading. Okay, let me clean up. Back trading. February. Oh, why it's all capital? February 2024. First trade. Oops. February 1st. right here. Okay. So our trend trade, one back trade, short impulse plus T2 level plus resistance level. Let's see about in the market equality. Yeah, 1-2 correction. It's a beautiful trade. Guys, I should be proud of myself. It's a beautiful trend. Yeah, couldn't be better. Trend. Oops. Yeah, let's describe this guy. High 42.666, 42.666 first stop, 42.666 first stop. No Mishka, no honey for you on February 1st. I'm glad it's over. And you know there's like electromagnetic storms? That's not how I excuse my third stop in a row. But there is electromagnetic storms coming our way, and weather is changing again in LA. Regardless, this is, guys, is a upthrust, which doesn't need no test, no nothing. It's a beautiful volumed upthrust, and it doesn't need much of the volume because it's a trend trade. It's a conservative trade. Yeah, let's describe it. Conservative trend trade 1B. Short impulse. Impulse plus sign of weakness level plus correction. Beautiful trade plus volume upthrust. I don't know. What else would you wish for? Affordable stop loss. 1-2 risk to reward. Take profit. Beautiful trade, full of elegance and wisdom and charm. Too bad it is stop loss. Too bad. Yeah, this is just how it goes. Beautiful stop loss. What else could a trader wish for? Maybe a little bit of profit. 23.25. It's conservative setup. Upthrust 23.25. Entrance 129 is the stop loss. 29. Oops. What a beautiful trade. 42.350. So 350. Yeah. Thank you very much. His Majesty Market. His Majesty Market. So one stop, one day. But let's see what else. And one level, one day. So all this just an expansion of T2 level. It never changed the direction. It's expanding T2. So we just watch. We just watch it go. Yeah. Okay. And that's it for today. So we're all caught up on back trading. Oh. Hold on. Did we move something? Yes, we did. What? Say what? That's basically what I meant. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay. And yeah, that's where we are at right now. So let's try to keep up with our back trading interactively. So yeah, and here's like stock for the weekend. Woo! Thank you for glitching. So nice of you. And it's kind of stuck here. Well, like to take out half is still on the table. What do you think, guys? Considering how the market is, I'd really consider taking out a half. Because it's volume. It is a freaking volume right there. And it's very distinct on an hourly base, on an hourly chart. Considering the back trading statistics, definitely should. So now it will go like this. I think it still do it. Even if it goes from here into retracement, it will go like bomb, and then resumes. Or shall we hold? What do you guys think? Anyone, please? Technically, this bar, this was not even like, yeah, no, that's not how it worked. This huge volume was just like one bar, basically. Yeah, this guy was just panic. He was just panic. I think we should take, oh yeah, you know already. I think we should take half of the position before we close the shop for today. It's just, you know what, let's hold. Okay, I think my brain is not working anymore. I'm checking off for today. Thank you, everyone.